Good day, everyone. What is up? My hair's lighter. A week ago or so, I bleached my hair. I went to a whole salon, did the whole thing. I'll have a whole video about it coming soon, don't worry. But this video that we're doing right now is a little interesting because this is what I eat in a day. I filmed and fully edited. I had the video entirely done. And then last night, my external hard drive that holds all my videos and everything broke. And now all the videos I was working on are lost. But we're here today. It's a new day. We're trying again.
Like a phoenix rising from the ashes.
Like Katniss Everdeen.
No.
Yeah, I love the Hunger Games. But anyways, I'm bringing you guys a what I eat in a day because it's been a while since I've done one. Figured I should update you guys on what I've been eating. So of course it is breakfast time and I was feeling pretty inspired by Ashley's yogurt bowl that she ate earlier today. So I'm gonna make something kind of similar. Let's get right into it. So we grab our bowl and this puffed rice cereal as a base, then our cashew yogurt, which is vegan of course, and some agave as a sweetener. Stir it all up and then grab some mini bananas, peel, slice, and arrange them all nice and pretty. Add some blueberry granola for some more protein and berries. We got blueberries and raspberries and some peanut butter going around top of the bananas along with some chia seeds, and then we're done. Yummy. Let's dig in, shall we? A great start to my day. What's up, guys? We are in the car headed to a computer store to drop off my external hard drive that I broke because we want to see if they can restore anything that I lost on it. I don't think they'll be able to, but I kind of just want them to confirm that everything is gone. Okay, guys, we just dropped it off. They're gonna hold it for the day and run diagnostics later, but I'm pretty sure it's just not gonna work. Rip the external hard drive. You were not that great to me, but you will be missed.
I'm eating this beautiful small banana. Bubby, do you like it? Imagine he just eats a whole
It's
banana.
a Bubby-sized banana. Hi, cutie Bubby.
Delish.
Look, we set up the green screen. Imagine me as a pop star. I sold out the entire stadium. Everyone's chanting my name. Yes, yes. This is the show of a lifetime. Hello, I'm in the bedroom. So I believe the plan for the rest of the day is that I'm gonna eat a big lunch. And then after that, me and my siblings are gonna go for a bike ride, which is epic. So I just gotta put on my deodorant so I'm not stinky during a bike ride. No, stinky armpits for me. I'm using native deodorant as always. They're my go-to. Me and my family have always been looking for natural deodorants to actually work because we don't want any aluminum in our armpits. We like things that are vegan and cruelty-free, and luckily, native is all of those things. Unlike other natural deodorants, it's not like sticky or slimy. It dries really quick like regular deodorant does, and they smell so good. Like, I swear to God, the sweet peach and nectar is my current favorite. I love peach scents, and I like the cactus flower and poppy. This one smells like a literal flower, and every time I lift my arms, it feels like I'm sticking my nose in a garden. It is so strange. I don't know how it can smell so much like an actual flower. It's crazy. So if you guys want to try out Native too, you can click the link in my description and use my code to get 33% off your first Native deodorant pack, and you get free shipping. So we can all smell nice and clean together. Anyways, now that I'm all nice and freshened up for the rest of my day, I'm gonna go make my lunch so that I can get all fueled up for my bike ride. Welcome back to the kitchen. As you saw, we went grocery shopping earlier, so now we have a bunch of fun foods to choose from to make our lunch. We got some of this high protein vegan chocolate milk from Ripple, and we've gotten it before and it's so good. So I'm gonna eat it if I can open it. Okay. Watch me drink this whole bottle tonight because I leave for California tomorrow. I'm moving back to college and I want to drink the whole thing before I leave. Yummy. Carry on, mama. I don't know what to eat now. I'm gonna make chickpea tuna salad. Instead of tuna, you just do chickpeas and it tastes so much better. So like, even if you're not vegan and you just don't like tuna and you want to eat some protein, this stuff is good. It might look weird, but it's good. We start out by draining our chickpeas and rinse them until you see no more bubbles. You gotta get rid of all the bubbles because otherwise those bubbles happen in your stomach and then you're farty. So wash your beans. I've said this before, I'll say it again. Okay, so now you just mash them all up with a fork. And once they're all pulverized, you're gonna add a little bit of vegan mayo, probably like a tablespoon, yellow mustard, and a bunch of Old Bay. And then you mix, 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 and you have your chickpea tuna salad. If I had celery or like red onion right now, I would also put that in. And I always eat it with some crackers. So I'm probably gonna eat that whole thing or I'll share a bit with Ashley. But now I'm on to lunch part 2 because Ashley and Charles are on their way home right now. I'm gonna make this crazy beautiful tomato salad. We got these nice multicolored tomatoes and we got this mini baguette and Miyoko's vegan mozzarella and avocado. So I'm gonna make all that into a little salad and then we're gonna eat it with the baguette. It will be crazy. So I'm gonna start chopping everything up now so it'll be ready when they get home.
L'espoir est un plat blanc trop vite consommé. La sorte
I made a beautiful salad. Like all the same ingredients that you already used, just on a salad. I'm gonna use balsamic vinaigrette and it's gonna be delicious.
This looks crazy.
It does.
Looks so beautiful.
Let's make a little baguette crostini. Oh!
Thanks, Sandy.
Thanks. Amber. Is any of your basil still alive or no?
It's dead over there.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow, that's really dead.
Do the colors of the tomato matter? Do they all just taste the same?
Pretty much.
I think the brown ones are yummy.
I like this cheese.
Really?
Yeah.
Gee, because you're...
Last one.
I'm cold.
Oh no!
What happened?
My girlfriend's cold!
Thanks, Charles.
I'm kidding.
Are you
Give it
sure?
back. That was only for the camera.
Amber leaves at 5 in the morning tomorrow. I go to California tomorrow.
No!
I can't join your dog.
This is so good. Really underestimated it. To be honest with you. Last one. Overall this
one.
time. Filipinos, when they say like what I was doing, they just say less. That means one more. But like less.
Oh, last.
Last.
Now last.
It's just so yummy.
Okay, I think we're gonna go on the siblings bike ride now. Peace. Andrew has to eat before we go biking.
I just streamed for like 4 hours.
Bro, Andrew died when he was trying to mine diamonds. He just
No, I was mining around the diamonds. I meant to mine the block in front of me, but I did the one underneath me and I fell in lava. And I was like, clip right now.
Pog champ! No!
Pog champ!
What? The cookies?
Yeah.
Samoa?
It's not a Samoa.
How's that not a Samoa?
There's no coconut.
Okay. This is Amber's lunch. I'll eat it and then you'll have leftovers from the toilet. Yo, stop making that noise.
No.
This way, Bubber.
Let's bike now. Go biking crazy.
Ow! Ow, that hurt me so bad.
Hit my toe.
Yeah.
I look so red. Hello, gang. Biker gang.
Wow. Andrew. Go.
We're making guacamole.
Chipotle style.
Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Avocados in the bowl.
Oh, my eyes.
How do you cut it? Tell me how to cut it. Do I go like this?
I can't see anything.
Bro, I'm gonna do it. You're so weak.
I was gonna just fine.
Check it out.
That's just gonna get stuck in the whisk. Onions.
A hint of lime.
Delicious guac. What would you rate it, Andrew, out of 10?
A 9.
I would give it a 10. I think this was probably one of the better guacs I've had in my days.
Lots of onions today.
For a second, it kind of tastes like potato salad.
Mom got the whole bowl in her mouth.
I'll make the bowl.
Boneless. Burger car.
Give me nuts.
You didn't create it, it's by
I love when you go to give Andrew nuts and he does this.
Ashley's chakras aren't aligned. Alrighty, bros, it's time for my actual dinner, and I'm making vegan mac and cheese. I got this box here. It's gluten-free and vegan and really high in protein, so fun. Vegan butter, plant milk, and a packet. Does that sound nice to you? Just kidding, you weirdos. I'm gonna add some onion and garlic powder.
That's pretty good.
Hey, Ashley. Hey, Ashley, do you want to try my mac and cheese?
Yeah.
It's
Oh, it
actually
looks
pretty
so
good.
cool. I'm like in Andrew's bed.
In his Minecraft bed.
It's really good.
I'm gonna eat this whole bowl and probably a bit more, and that'll be my dinner. Alrighty, guys, I believe that is it for my day of eating. It was a pretty solid, well-rounded day, I would say. Always remember that food is meant to nourish your body. Please don't restrict yourself. It is just so counterproductive, and you're only hurting yourself. You deserve to eat good food and enough of it, so please, please, please do that. Every day of eating for me looks different depending on like when I wake up, how much food I have in the house. Sometimes it's not as healthy. Sometimes I eat more. Sometimes I eat less. It just depends how I'm feeling. Listen to yourself, listen to your body, and do your best to keep it healthy because you deserve that. So let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I know it's been a while since I did a what I eat in a day, and I don't do them super often, but I will make them more often if you guys want to see them. As always, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.